Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a BMW backlight. First, you'll need a few basic tools, primarily a screwdriver set and your replacement bulb. Always make sure your BMW is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, open your trunk to gain access to the backlight assembly. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the light unit itself. You'll typically find a few retaining screws or clips holding the tail light assembly in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these fasteners. Once they are all out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight out from the vehicle. Be careful not to force it, as there might be electrical connectors still attached. With the tail light assembly out, you can now access the bulb. First, disconnect any electrical connectors by pressing the tab and pulling. Then, locate the specific bulb holder for the backlight. Usually, a simple counterclockwise twist will release the old bulb. Insert your new bulb, ensuring it's the correct type, and twist it clockwise to secure it firmly in place. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to the tail light assembly, ensuring it clicks securely. Carefully push the entire tail light unit back into its original position on the vehicle, making sure it aligns properly. Then, reinsert and tighten all the retaining screws or clips. Don't forget to test your new backlight to confirm it's working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.